So let's take a look at how to use aliases in GraphQL query. So first thing, go to GraphQL Hub, and here I'm going to open GitHub API in GraphQL browser. Okay, so before that, let's check out one repository, which is Express. This is from the username express.js, and repository name is Express. Okay, if you check this user's account, you'll find that it has multiple repositories such as express.js.com, Morgan, compression, express, and body parser. Okay, so we are going to keep this in mind while making our query. Okay, so first thing, we will just remove the default query here and check the docs for GraphQL API. Now here I'm going to choose GitHub API, and I'm going to make this repo field to fetch some data. Now let's start with curly bracket and call for GitHub, and then let's go with repo. Okay, now here we have name as, let's say, Express. Okay, so I'm gonna check Express.js, and owner username here is Express.js. Okay, now inside this, what I'm gonna get is, let me just check, ID, name, and let's say owner. Okay, you can also get issues and other stuff. For now, let's go with simple. So ID, name. Okay, if I run this, it will return the data just fine. Okay, what if I want to make use of multiple repository, and here instead of Express, I send query from Morgan. Okay, as you can see, GitHub has two instances, and there is a conflict with name. Now, to avoid this error, we can make use of aliases and separate these two queries. Okay, for example, let's say express.js repo. Okay, and I use colon there, so it differentiates this query from this. Okay, you can also change this again to, let's say, Morgan repo and then GitHub. Okay, so once you make this differentiation, you can run the query and you still get the output. So this was a short demonstration on aliases in GraphQL.